Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit voice or audio in CapCut for TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to upload this video to my TikTok. And as you can see guys, that I have added my audio to this project, and to avoid the copyright on TikTok, I'm going to edit my audio. If you want to edit the audio, we can tap on the audio, tap on it one more time until the audio is active. As you can see by the outline that now the audio is active, then you can either apply audio effect to your audio, or you can speed up your audio to make it faster. And for example, I'm going to speed up my audio. We can go to the speed, and then I'm going to make it 2 times faster, and I'm going to keep the pitch. Wait, okay, and this is the result. Okay, you can also apply voice effect or audio effect guys. If you want to apply effect, you can go to the audio effect, and then you can choose the effect you want to add, like this. And after that, you're going to export your project, and the video is ready to be uploaded on TikTok. Alright guys, then that's all the way to edit voice or audio in CapCut for TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.